Hey, all the gorgeous ladies out there. I am back after a really long time. I know I'm really sorry for all my viewers because I couldn't make time since past few months maybe. But finally, I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be very special because I'm going to review and give my first impressions on some of the newly purchased products of mine. And so I'm going to review all these makeup products and also brushes, and also give my final verdict and first impressions of these products because I'm also purchasing these products for the very first time. So I'm going to share my experience with you all for your convenience. And let me tell you, all the products that I'm going to review today are very affordable. Also, I have recently purchased this vanity box of mine quite recently from Flip, and this review I'm going to do in my another video. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. And also, I don't know if all these products are still available online, but I'll still try to give all the links in the description box below whatever I have purchased from online. And some of these I have purchased from my local market on a discounted rate because these were not available online or was out of stock. And I'll specifically review the products one by one, so keep watching till the end and let's get started with the video. So let's take a look at the products that I'm going to review today and also give you a demo of them, and then we'll let you know my final verdict on the products. So let's see the products one by one. The first product is this Skin Plus 10 brush set. It has 10 brushes, 5 of them are face brushes, 5 of them are eye brushes. And these were purchased from Flipkart and these were retailed for 300 as I remember. I'll try to give the link in the description box below so you can check that out. And the best part is it came with this zipper bag which will protect the products. As you know, keeping brushes and maintaining them is really difficult, so I'll give a first impression of this and also review them. The second product is these Sugar Cosmetics Contour D4 blushes. I have two of them, and these I purchased from my local shop because these were not available on online and these were out of stock. So I'll review them too. And also, this is my first ever purchase from Sugar Cosmetics. I have never used Sugar before, but after so much good reviews and good feedbacks, I have purchased these two blushes. These are mini contour d4 brushes, and I have two shades from them. One is Peach Pink and one is Salmon Superstar. The third product is this Lakme Iconic Kajal, but in the shade Classic Brown, so that makes the difference. And actually I prefer brown color when I go out in morning times. I don't feel like black will be suitable for morning time as it's too bold. So when I'm not in the mood for black, I go for browns. So I'll be reviewing this as well. And this also I purchased from my local store because most of the time this is out of stock on the online markets. The fourth and the last product is this Lotus makeup fixer. Yeah, so Lotus has came up with their makeup range recently, as you all know, and this is their makeup fixer. I was actually looking for a makeup fixer since a long time now because I have a very important function in the month of January maybe, so I really required my makeup to stay overnight. That's why a makeup fixer was really necessary, but I haven't tried this yet, so I'll give a first impression of this too. So I have only applied primer and moisturizer on my face and makeup, so I'm starting off with my foundation. Although foundation brush is given in the brush set that I have shown you, but I'm not comfortable with foundation brushes so much, so I prefer sponges or beauty blenders over brushes. So I'm applying foundation with the beauty blender, and then I'll be using the brushes for other purpose. Now I'm using concealer in just small areas like under my eyes, over and around my lips, and now I'm blending it with my fingers. I feel for concealer fingers are best because it helps to warm up the product as well, and so that it absorbs into the skin very well and doesn't look artificial. So these are the face brushes that I got with this set, and also I have 5 eye brushes, and I'll be using this fluffy even brush to evenly spread the compact and to set my base in place. So this is my compact, the Lakme Sun Expert compact, and this is the best ever compact that I have ever used till now. And I'm going to take this brush, lightly take some products, and then just gently rub it around my face to set the base. This brush can also be used as a foundation brush, so whoever are comfortable with foundation brushes, they can use it as a foundation brush as well. This is actually called a stippling brush, and it helps to give a airbrush look. These are the eye brushes, 5 eye brushes that I got with this set, and I was really scared about the shapes of the brushes, but every brush, trust me, every brush looks different and their shapes are completely different from each other, and same applied for the face brushes, so you can definitely go for this. And these are really soft and comfortable on skin as well, and also you are getting this pouch to store the products. And what else can you look for in a affordable brush set? So I definitely recommend this to beginners as well as those who are looking for a pocket friendly brush set. So this is definitely it, and I'll try to give the link in the description box below, so do check out. This is a separate brush that I have purchased, and this is not a part of the set that I have shown you, and this is a separate brush also bought from Flipkart only, and very fluffy. As you can see, you can use it either as a compact or blush brush or even as a foundation brush as well, and superb travel friendly. As you can see the size, it is really comfortable to travel with, won't take much space in your makeup pouch or your handbag. So I would recommend this as well, and this retailed for 95, I guess. I have purchased it from Flipkart, and I'll also try to give the link in the description box below, so do check it out. Now I'll be using this fluffiest eye brush to do the base or the transition shade of the eyeshadow. These brushes are really comfortable on the skin, as I have a very sensitive skin, so I need to take care of the products that I am purchasing and applying on my skin. Well, let me tell you, this brushes takes a fair amount of product and really applies the product smoothly over your skin surface. Now I'll be using this angular flat brush to apply the eyeshadow on my crease line. So also, just for your information, I don't really prefer using eyeshadow in daytime looks. I don't use eyeshadows in daytime unless it's a very special occasion, any function. But just to show you the demo of the brushes, I'm using eyeshadows, although very light shades. I'm applying a slightly shimmery shade over my eyelids. Since the shade is very light, so I guess it's not showing on the camera, but it's a very beige shimmery shade that I have used on my eyelids. Second product is this Lakme Iconic Classic Brown Kajal, and I have mainly purchased it to use it as an eyeliner, but also you can use it as a kajal if you are a fan of kajal or love to use a brown color kajal. This packaging is typical Lakme packaging, and I have opened it from here. This retails for rupees 275, but I got it on a discount from my local store. I got it around 240 or 245 rupees after discounting. So I'll just take out this gently and take it like this. And here the packaging is completely black as usual, and here very small fonts it is written classic brown, and only this is how you can know which color it is. So if you are owning a black kajal, or it has different shades, Lakme has come up with different eye shades for this kajal range. So it has, as much as I remember, one green, one blue, and one turquoise color. So if you own multiple of this, it might be a problem for you to find the correct shade, because this is really small in size. It is written only here. So I would have been happier if Lakme would have come up with a color coded packaging, but anyways, in future maybe they will come up with one. But on this packaging, if you can preserve this, then here it's written in bold letters classic brown and over brown shade only. So this might be helpful for you. You can keep this package. Here you get 0.35 gram products, and the best part is it's a twisted product, so you never need to sharp it. That is the best part I love, because I hate sharpening. So this is the product that you get, pretty much fair amount of product, and it's a beautiful brown shade which suits almost every Indian skin tone. And let me tell you, who are new to brown kajals, or who are new to brown eyeliners, not only black but brown also complements Indian skin tone as well as our eye shades. So you can definitely opt for brown and it will look amazing on you. So I have been using brown eyeliners or kajal since a very long time now. Let me show you the hand swatch first. This is the color, a very pretty beautiful brown shade, and this is only one swipe. So now I'll be applying it over my eyes as an eyeliner, and this is really creamy, so you need to be very careful while applying this, otherwise the product might break. And this is really easy and comfortable to apply. Make sure you take out only a little amount of product, because otherwise it's prone to breakage. So this is the shade, and this is how it looks over the eyes. and this is my first impression for this. Is it is very creamy in texture, so really easy to apply, but also it is very much prone to breakage. So you need to be very careful while applying this, and you make sure you are not in a hurry, otherwise the product will break. And you can also smudge it as a eyeshadow as well, because this is a very beautiful shade and this will look great as an eyeshadow as well, because it's very creamy, so it is really easy to blend as an eyeshadow. So I would definitely recommend this for you all. Now I'm going to do the brows light handedly. Now I'll be using this brown shade right under my lower lash line. It gives a depth to the eyes. And I'll complete my eye look with this mascara. The third product that I'm going to review is this Sugar blushes. These are mini contour deforce brushes, and these comes in really beautiful shade ranges. So I was really literally confused about what shade to choose, but anyway the shopkeepers, the ladies, they really helped me, and I purchased this from my local store. I wanted to purchase from online, but there is no discount going on this, and some of the shades are out of stock as well, so I went to the local market. So the outer packaging looks like this inside this cardboard box, and then comes the product. This is also packaged in a cardboard box only. It's a magnetic packaging. You can see this is a very cute type of print that I really love. And here comes the blush inside. This is the blush, and here this is the shield which protects the blush, and I take it out, and it's a magnetic packaging as you can see, but the magnet is really good, and I feel it is very travel friendly, because the size you can see is small, and also the packaging is quite sturdy. So I have got two shades of this. One is Salmon Superstar and another one is Peach Bake, and this is Salmon Superstar. This is a very unique shade, especially this shade, because I haven't found this similar shade in any other brand. This is a complete mixture of burnt orange and light peach shade, so it will suit almost every Indian skin tone. And these retails for 349 rupees, but I got it on a discount. After discount it was given to me at 340, and another one is of 300. Purchased it from two different shops, because in one shop the shade was out of stock. And nowadays Sugar Cosmetics are so famous that almost all the beauty shops, they keeps Sugar products. So you will get Sugar products in almost every standard beauty shops or cosmetic shops. So let me show you the swatches of this, and for this I'll be using this fluffy blush brush from the brush set that I have purchased from Flipkart. So I'm going to apply Salmon Superstar on my right cheek and Peach Peak on my left side. I feel the shades are superbly pigmented. So this is Salma Superstar, as you can see. It's a beautiful burnt orange type of shade and will suit every skin tone. Just see the shade. And it is superbly pigmented, and also you can use it as a day shade as well as a nighttime shade. Also for rupees 349 you get 4 grams of product, and I feel it's quite fair for any blush, because anyway we use a very tiny amount of blush, and if it is superbly pigmented like this, then you need very less, so little goes a long way. 4 grams is fair enough. And also it is cruelty free, and Sugar is a Italian brand, and also it is paraben free. So this is quite suitable for sensitive skin or normal or any skin type, because this has no parabens or no harmful chemicals. Now I'll be applying Peach Peak on my left side, and the shade names are given over the outer packaging, right back of the packaging. And also along with that, the ingredients and the weight of the product, the quantity is mentioned, everything is mentioned just back of the outer packaging. The inner packaging is same for every shade. This is Peach Peak, as you can see, very light pinkish kind of peach shade and suitable for every skin tone. Let me tell you, peach shade is specially suitable for Indian skin tone, whitish skin tone, low. So I have purchased this one. I'm going to take the same brush and apply this on the other sides of my cheek. It's a very light daytime kind of shade. So this is Peach Pink, as you can see. It's a very light pinkish kind of peach color, and perfect for daytime makeup or nude makeup looks. For lipstick, I'll be applying Coral Dose from L18 Mattes. The best part of white dress is you can use universal shades of lipstick no matter which shade you are using, but everything suits with white. And I'll be using this tangerine coral shade from L18. It's a beautiful semi matte tangerine orange kind of shade, which suits daytime as well as nighttime. And now the last product that I'm going to review and tell my first impression is this Lotus Herbals setting spray, makeup setting spray. It's great that Lotus has come up with this setting spray. Most of the setting sprays in market of other brands, they carries paraben, which is really harmful for our skin, and also alcohol. So when paraben and alcohol, two really bad products combine, it's really bad for our skin's health, be it your sensitive skin or any type of skin, and it's really not recommended for anyone to use. So I chose this herbal product because after all it's a herbal company and it does not contain any alcohol or paraben products, paraben ingredients. So I'm really happy about that part. And when it comes to packaging, it comes in this beautiful blue bottle, plastic bottle, and with a plastic cap. This cap is quite sturdy, so it won't open easily, and you need to pull it really hard to open it. See, and it comes with obviously a spray because it's a makeup setting spray, and all the ingredients are mentioned at the back of this bottle. And the smell is really aqua kind of smell, as if something is mixed, something mint is mixed into the water or something like that. So not at all disturbing, even if you are a smell sensitive person. And here it's written for oil free, weightless, and for all skin types. This tagline says that. And it's a 70 ml of product, which is pretty much fair. It's also written enriched with Irish moss extract, which is a good product for every skin type. And the direction contains keep your eyes and lips closed, definitely. And lightly spray the makeup fixer, holding it about 10 inches away from the face. Yeah, while applying any using any makeup fixer spray, do remember that you need to keep it at least 10 inches away from your face, and keep your eyes and lips closed, and then only you can spray it over your face. And it retails for rupees 475, and I got it definitely on a discounted rate. It was around 350 on Nykaa. um, but most of the times I see this one is not available, so I had to wait for a really long time to get this because it was out of stock. And do remember, before using any makeup setting spray, do remember you need to do a patch test. It's very important to do a patch test. And if you feel any itching or any redness or any type of uncomfortable feelings, then definitely do consult your physician or doctor, and don't apply it directly on your face. So I have already done my patch test for this, and now I'm going to apply it over my face. So I'll take out the cap and shake it well. Make sure before using any makeup setting spray, do shake it very well. This is the point from where the spray will come out. So I'll keep it as this on a 45-degree angle and close my eyes and lips. Well, it's really feels refreshing and fresh on my face. So I'll definitely give a thumbs up to this product, because any skin type people can use it without any fear, because as I said, it does not contain any alcohol or parabens, so it's a great part. And this is my first ever makeup setting spray, so highly recommend this. So this is my daytime final makeup look. If you have liked it, then do give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. And I'll try to give all the links in the description box below, whatever products I have purchased from online. So till then, stay safe and stay glamorous. Love you all.